Welcome back to another Ross review, guys. I'm your host, Jonathan Ross, and today on the show we're standing next to a 2007 Audi RS4. And this is one of the last true great sports sedans ever to be made. With its 4.2 liter V8 up front, 6-speed manual gearbox inside, and Audi's famous all-wheel drive Quattro system, this thing really is a wolf in sheep's clothing. And that's not all, guys. This particular B7 RS4 has had the MTM supercharger kit fitted, now producing over 535 horsepower. That's right, guys. Today we're standing next to the 2007 Audi RS4 with the MTM supercharger fitted. Now, this car, brand new here in Australia, would have cost somewhere around 170K. And from factory, this thing was really impressive. Had a 4.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 that shared a lot with the Audi R8's engine, would do 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, had 414 horsepower, and 317 pound-foot of torque. Now, to get the MTM supercharger kit bought and fitted was not cheap, guys. This upgrade would have cost somewhere around 50K alone. So what do you get for all that money? This thing now produces 535 horsepower and 413 pound-foot of torque. And 0 to 60 now will be 3.9 seconds. For a large four-door sedan that weighs around 1,700 kilos, that is really impressive. Just going over some quick facts of this B7 RS4, guys. Production started back in 2006 and finished shortly after in 2008. Only 10,000 of these were built for the whole world, and you could get them in 3 different body styles. You could get the saloon like we have here, an Avant, or in a cabriolet design. Now, just coming down to the wheels here, I really love this wheel design. It's a 19-inch rim, and I think it really does suit the car. Now, on the brakes here up the front, this would have had fitted from factory 8-pot Brembos straight out of a Lamborghini Gallardo. But now, of course, having the MTM supercharger kit, this has Movit 6-pot carbon ceramics upgraded, and these are just ridiculously large brakes. Now, just at the rear of this car, guys, I absolutely love its subtle styling. To the average person, this is just another Audi. And I love how this car leaves little hints like the flared fenders and large brakes that there's something going on. This car also has a custom MagnaFlow sports exhaust that sounds really nice, so take a listen. Now, just coming inside the B7 RS4, guys, this interior just really reminds me of high-end Audi. Everything in here is just really nice. The materials used are top-notch, and there's just so much carbon fiber in here, leather. It's just all really well made and just feels high-quality German. Now, the wheel as well feels really good, has an amazingly sporty grip, and is actually very similar to the one out of the Lamborghini Gallardo. Got the flat bottom here, just feels top notch, guys. Now, coming up to the seats, these are RS4 bucket Recaros, and these just feel so good. They're just crazy in design and comfort as well. They're very comfortable, they got really nice leather, and they also are adaptive with their bolstering. So, will fit basically anybody in these seats. Now, just coming to one of the best features of this car, guys, 6-speed manual gearbox. And this is the only gearbox available, guys. So no automatic. That is really cool from Audi. You don't see that anymore from anywhere, basically. And that is just really nice to see. Again, as well, traditional handbrake. I like to see that. And just the whole car just feels really nice. And it's an Audi, so materials are really top notch. Now this car is push button start, and all of these B7s came with a satellite navigation from factory. But remember, these cars are over 10 years old, so what's on the screen is pretty dated. In the gauge cluster, really clean, really nice gauges, just super simple, and I just love the look of them. Red lines at 8,000 RPM, guys, and this thing loves to rev. Now in the back seats as well, guys, there's 3 seats back there, and being a full-size sedan, there's plenty of room. So if you need to take anyone back there, no worries at all. And then you also have a decent-sized boot. This car is practical, and it is quick. So enough about what's in here. Let's get this thing out on the road and see how it drives. All right, guys, so driving the Audi RS4, this thing just straight away on first impressions is just really nice. Everything just feels really well built, really nice to touch, and so far just really easy to drive as well. The steering just has a really good feel to it. It's very heavy, and very, very nice steering. The clutch is easy to use, very light, and even just the manual gearbox here alone is just very short and super easy to get into gear. Now as well in here, the ride is pretty good. We're just in normal mode right now, and I gotta tell you that it's not very rough in here. Very minimal road noise as well, as expected for a high-end Audi. So just chucking into the sport mode now, guys, and I gotta tell you, I've never seen a car change so much when you push the sport mode. As soon as you push this button, you've got this big S light up on the dash, the seats close in on you even more, and the exhaust note changes straight away as well. Everything just tightens up, and I have honestly just never experienced a sport mode button that actually changes the car so much from just a quick tap of the button. Very, very cool. All right, guys, so just coming into some corners now. This is where the Audi is right at home. Oh, and the throttle response is just so quick. Holy jeez. Brakes are excellent. Oh, and it just got so much grip. Wow. Holy crap. And you just have so much power on the rev range. You just tap the throttle and it starts going. Doesn't matter where you are. That supercharger just so much power. Wow. This car will get you in trouble real quick. That is blisteringly fast. And because the Audi is just so composed, you don't even get sort of that rush of speed because it's just so well composed. But wow, you are going so quick, so fast, and it doesn't even feel like this car is batted an eye. Like, it's just so composed and ready to go even faster. I have never been in a sedan that is this insane, let alone even a car that this thing really, for just pure speed and handling, I think this is easily the best car I've had on the show. Easily. Yeah, wow. 3.9 seconds, guys, and I believe it. Holy crap. This is almost inconceivable how quick this can go. A four-door sedan with all this luxury. Holy Holy crap. Alright, so just coming onto it from around 20 k's an hour here, guys. I'm just going to put my foot down and we'll just see how this thing reacts. So, 3, 2, 1... Oh, that was, to be honest, I wasn't even on the floor, but like, it was pretty close, but that was crazy. Oh my God. Wow. This car is amazing. What a machine. What a machine. Alright guys, I'm going to finish the video off here today. Huge thanks to Dom for bringing out his B7 RS4. This thing just really impressed me and has crazy speed. Massive thanks again to Ramp Auto Group. They've done a lot of work actually to this particular RS4, so I'll leave a link for them in the description below. And shout out as well to Terrence at Original Detailing. Gave this car a bit of a birthday before the shoot today and it looked really nice. Now this car is also on Car Sales, guys. It is for sale. So if you want to own a piece of history, I'll leave the link in the description below. Please check it out. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you're new here. We'll see you on the next video.